Well, you done me and I bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I'm melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trapped.